Okay, this customer is asking if they really need to get black lights because they have 3 good-sized windows in their room. Yes. First of all, sunlight is the best source. I can take a little demo poster out in the sunlight for 2 seconds, and it's going to do way better than 30 minutes under a black light. But the problem is, yeah, you may have the windows where the sun's coming in and it's charging the paint, but when the sun goes down, between the time between the sun going down and the being dark enough for you to see the mural, the paint is also going to mellow out. The paint mellows or diminishes, fades the most in the first 10 minutes. So it's super bright. In the first 10 minutes, it'll mellow out a lot, and then it slowly diminishes over the next 6 to 8 hours. So if it's an hour from sundown until it's dark enough for you to enjoy the mural, the paint's going to be so diminished that you're going to want to bump it up so you can get it. You know what I'm saying? So you can get a good experience. So I would say get a black light. You're not going to go wrong.